In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable pop-up blocker in Google Chrome. If you're trying to open a website and nothing happens when you click a button or link, there's a good chance Chrome's pop-up blocker is preventing that page from opening. This setting is useful for blocking unwanted windows on many sites, but sometimes you may need to turn it off or adjust it for a specific website. I'll walk you through exactly where to find that setting and what each option means so you can choose what works best for you. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is where Chrome keeps many of its settings and controls. After that, click Settings. This will open the main settings page for your browser, where you can manage privacy, security, and site permissions. On the left side, or near the main settings categories depending on your version of Chrome, click Privacy and Security. This section includes controls for how websites interact with your browser, including cookies, permissions, and security features. Now scroll down until you find the option for pop-ups and redirects, then click it. This is the area that controls whether websites are allowed to open pop-up windows or redirect you to another page. Once you're in this section, you can select the option you prefer. If you want to disable the pop-up blocker, choose the setting that allows sites to send pop-ups and use redirects. If you'd rather keep the blocker on for most websites, you can leave the default protection enabled and only allow pop-ups for certain sites when needed. This can be a safer choice if you only need pop-ups to work on a trusted website. You can also add specific websites under the Customized Behaviors section. This is helpful if you don't want to completely disable the blocker for every site. Instead, you can allow pop-ups only where necessary, which gives you more control and helps reduce unwanted pop-ups elsewhere. As a quick tip, after making your changes, refresh the website you were using and try the action again. In many cases, the pop-up will start working right away. If it still doesn't work, make sure the site was added correctly, or double-check that the setting you selected matches what you want Chrome to do. And that's it. That's how to disable pop-up blocker in Google Chrome and adjust the pop-up settings based on your preference.